The Centre Block is one of Canada's most iconic and impressive buildings. Now it is receiving a much-needed upgrade to restore and preserve it for future generations. Public Services and Procurement Canada and its partners worked on a number of projects between April 2022 and March 2023. Let's take a look at what we've done in the past year. It's hard to miss the 23-metre deep excavation in front of Centre Block, which will be home to the new Parliament Welcome Centre. This underground facility will offer a more welcoming experience for visitors while providing additional space. Main excavation began in spring 2020 and is mostly complete as of the end of March 2023. More than 40,000 truckloads of bedrock have been removed from the site. In 2024, work will begin on the main concrete structure for the Parliament Welcome Centre. In the last year, a decorative tarp known as a trompe was installed on the north facade of the building. Trompe stands for Trick of the Eye and shows a realistic image of Centre Block. The tarps help control the temperature inside the scaffold and protect workers from extreme weather conditions, while also improving the visual experience during construction. A trompe-l'œil will eventually cover the entire building. Behind the tarps, crews are restoring and repairing the exterior masonry of the Centre Block. On the north wall alone, there are more than 27,000 stones. Stonemasons use laser cleaning to vaporize dirt from the stones and carvings. Masonry work on the north facade is complete, and work on the north towers is expected to continue through 2024. Meanwhile, inside the building, demolition is nearly complete. So far, crews have removed more than 9.6 million kilograms of hazardous materials. Before demolition began, heritage assets including artwork, stained glass, and woodwork were either carefully removed from the building and stored for safekeeping or protected in situ. Many of these heritage features are undergoing restoration work. This includes the removal of the Carillon's bells from the Peace Tower. 22 of the 53 bells, along with other Carillon components such as clappers, were removed from the building. The removed Carillon bells have been transported to the Netherlands to be restored by one of the top Carillon specialists in the world. The larger bells will remain in the Peace Tower belfry and will undergo restoration work on site. In 2022, conservation treatment began on several murals painted by artist Arthur Crisp. The artwork was taken to an off-site studio where conservators performed delicate work. The murals will remain in storage until they can safely be put back in the Centre Block. Frescoes were also removed from the building so they can undergo conservation treatment. A fresco is a type of painting technique that involves painting directly onto wet plaster. A team of experts carefully cut and lowered each fresco from the wall. The major work being undertaken now will ensure the Centre Block will continue serving Canadians for generations. Once completed, the Centre Block will be carbon neutral, more accessible, and better equipped to support visitors and parliamentarians for decades to come. To see some of this work in more detail, be sure to visit the photo and video galleries on the Centre Block project website.